Today for the Bitcoin price, look at this, guys. As Bitcoin develops here in this ascending triangle, we can see the next miners capitulation going to go down today or tomorrow. Guys, this is imminent right now, but the most important question is, of course, what can we expect for the Bitcoin price? And if we are zooming out here on the weekly candles, we can see that the miners capitulations immediately after the halving 2012, 2016, and also today or tomorrow 2020 were the most powerful ones in the Bitcoin history. In fact, they took us all the way up here from $12 to $1,300 and also from $500 to 20,000 US dollars. We will be telling you exactly what we can expect right now from this miners capitulation for Bitcoin, and also what specific price target we can expect according to that until 2021, 2022. We will be showing you the exact duration and also the specific price target we are targeting for Bitcoin right now. So guys, make sure you take a seat, make sure you scroll down, you give this video a like right now. Thank you so much for that. And that being said, welcome crypto fans and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris, and as always, we are really pumped to go straight into the content. Okay guys, we are starting here on the daily candles for the Bitcoin price. And as you can see, Bitcoin is still here trapped within that, let's call it ascending triangle here. Also, as we mentioned it here in the last video. Also guys, by the way, this is the second update for today. Make sure you watch the first video we made a few hours ago with DaVinci J15. The video will be popping up on top of the screen right now. However, let's go straight here into the content. And as you can see on the bottom hand side, you can see the short-term moving average of the hash rate going below the long-term moving average of the hash rate, indicating that today or latest tomorrow, the miners capitulation is going to go down. We made already 6 or 7 videos within the last 1 or 1.5 years about that. And today we want to focus on these specific miners capitulations, which are occurring immediately after the halving, because as we already said, after each and every halving we are getting one miners capitulation. And I can tell you one thing, these miners capitulations, we have seen that in 2012, in 2016, immediately after the halving, and we are about to see it today or tomorrow also here after the halving. And these specific miners capitulations are the most powerful ones, and let me tell you something else, they are the most bullish ones. We will show you data to back that up, and we will show you exactly what we think is most likely to happen for the Bitcoin price now in the immediate future. And for that, I want to go here to the weekly candles. And guys, the historic data will show us exactly what we can expect here. First of all, I wanted to go here into the very first one. And as you know, all these miners capitulations, they carry one buy indicator here, one buy signal 30, 40, 45 days immediately after the after the miners capitulation, which is the red diamond here. And guys, I can tell you something, the only ones you should be keeping an eye on if you want extreme returns and if you want to have a very high degree of certainty here are these miners capitulations, which happen every 4 years and which happen immediately after the halving. These orange vertical lines here, these are the halvings, and the red vertical line is the miners capitulation, which coincides here of course perfectly with the red diamond. And you can see every single time we are seeing this this capitulation, we see the buy indicator afterwards, and we see some chopping around here. And of course, all of these buy indicators were very, very powerful. However, the most powerful one was this one here after the halving. And you can see also it was the last one before the parabolic bull run. In fact, this one here took us all the way up 6,500% to the bull market top. If I'm going here to this Medium article, by the way, once again, big credits to Charles Edwards, and we are going to this data here, the buy indication after the halving in November 2012 flipped actually in February 2013. And the maximum drawdown was only 3%, whereas the maximum gain to peak was 5,800% all the way from here to the next bull market top. And this is crazy, guys, but let me go on here. If we go to the next bull and bear cycle, you can see we had some buy indicators and miners capitulations. There was a little bit of chopping around going on here, and all of these indicators were still very, very nice because the price didn't go below the specific point when we had the buying indicator. But the most powerful one was once again immediately after the halving here in July 2016. If we are zooming zooming in here, you can see this vertical line here once again is the halving, and then the miners capitulation was actually flipping here immediately after the halving, and this buy signal we saw after the halving in 2016 was bringing us actually, it was 3,200% gain all the way up to this 20,000 US dollar bull market high. If we are going back here to the Medium article, you can see this table, and what you can see here is after the halving in July, we saw the buy indicator actually flipping in August 2016, the maximum drawdown to peak. Once again, only 3%, guys. This is your risk, your historical risk, of course. Things can change in the future, but here it was 3%, and look at the maximum gain to peak, 3,274%. And if we are going into the halving here for 2020, you can see the halving was gonna go down in May 2020, and what you can see here is that if we are going to the daily candles, you can see that much better. You can see that the miners capitulation is most probably going to go down today or tomorrow. It's even better to see if we are going here to the 4-hourly candles, then you can see that this hash rate is going down with a rapid speed here, the short-term moving average of the hash rate, and most probably going below the long-term moving average of the hash rate, which will provide us with this very nice red diamond here. By the way, type in hash ribbons if you want to see that yourself on your chart. And you remember, guys, you know the deal so far. Always when we saw this miners capitulation flashing here, the buy indication came very quickly afterwards, and the Bitcoin price was off to the races. Of course, we can see another 3%, 5%, 7%, whatever decline for Bitcoin. But if you're zooming out to the daily candles, you can see that every single time we had a significant increase of the Bitcoin price here after the halving, with the very last miners capitulation for this specific cycle, bull and bear cycle. And I also wanted to provide you with one specific specific time and price target here for 2021, 2022, only in case things stay as they are. And if we are pulling that here in 2012 from the specific point we got the buy indicator, remember, we are not buying the miners capitulation, we are buying the recovery and the buy indicator when the short-term moving average of the hash rate, the green line here on the bottom hand side, goes back above the gray line. And if we are pulling that here, of course, guys, it's not perfectly drawn, but just as this table actually shows us here, 5,700%, it is close enough, 5,730% and 310 days until the next peak. If we are doing the exact same here at this buy indication, you can see this one provided us with an approximate 3,200% gain to peak and 520 days. So maybe the specific gains to peak take longer to take place. Maybe the cycles are getting longer, and also maybe the returns to scale are diminishing here over time. So we had 5,700%, 3,100%. So if anything, then we can expect that this cycle takes a little bit longer to the next peak, and that the returns to scale are maybe not 3,200%, but maybe, they are halving as well as before, from 6,000 to 3,000, from 3,000 to 1,500, and also the duration takes longer. But if this actually is the case, then we can expect, let's say approximately 700 days, 600, 700, this is not 100% certainty, and also approximately 1,500% from this specific point of time when we are getting this new buy indication, and this would bring us all the way up here to 160, 150,000 US dollars in approximately 700 days, which would bring us all the way to May 2022. Of course, guys, this is only from the historic confidence level. It can be different here, but one thing is for sure, at least for my subjective opinion here, even though these numbers will not pan out to be exactly what is going to happen, what I'm very sure about, and let me auto scale that back here, is that this mechanic, that the halving and also the miners capitulation is going to be bullish for Bitcoin, at least in the long run. I am very certain about that this is going to repeat here once again, and I'm very certain about that the year 2020 and 2021 are going to be very bullish for the Bitcoin price. But you guys can let me know what you think about that in the comment section down below. Scroll down, leave your thoughts in the comment section, and also leave a like for that video if you appreciate the second update for today. And I want to know from you guys right now, do you think we will see a bullish 2020 and 2021, or do you think we will see more bearish momentum for Bitcoin? Let me know in the poll which is popping up on top of the screen right now. That would be very interesting, and yeah, I can already expect some moon boyish poll results here. At least I'm hoping for that. Also very important, guys, if we are going over here to Glassnode, you can see here, this is the on-chain fundamental data which is backing up this hash ribbons indicator. You can see here after the horizontal, after the vertical line, the hash rate is going significantly down and the miners revenue is going significantly down. That's why we are here for, guys. We are analyzing the on-chain data, we are showing you the fundamentals, and we are showing you the data which is backing up our indicators. Let me know what you think about that. Make sure you smash up the like button, and also, guys, if you want to support us and if you also want to take advantage of the free bonuses we are having here on our favorite exchanges, make sure you scroll down to the pinned comment and you will find a $402 bonus in total here for Bybit, Phemex and DueDEX. And yes, if you are signing up to these exchanges, it takes 24 seconds each to make an account, and after 0.5 or 0.2 respectively Bitcoin deposit, you can get up to these amounts here completely for free for your free margin trading. But very important, guys, this is only for experienced traders. And below, of course, the free Glassnode link. Thank you so much for your support, guys. Thank you so much for coming back to our channel here for the second update for today, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto already tomorrow. And as always, guys, as always, bye bye.